Morning. Morning. What's going on, Donovan, Jason, Don, Trader NQ? How we doing? I missed the trade this morning. So I loaded everything up, and I was trying to get the trade copier set up right here. I was literally in the midst of getting it all set up and logging back into all the accounts and stuff. That's one thing I wish would change on TradeCopia. I wish that you had the option to just leave everything logged in, because that's kind of a pain in the ass to have to log back in every single day. Set up. Need more space. Need bigger monitors. Say that too loud, my wife will yell at me. Tony, Grand Rising. Oh, hey, Don, since you're here, go try typing on X. Here, let's see if it works. Pretty sure I corrected that this morning. Also, let me see if Twitch is working. I don't know what's going on with Twitch. It says unstable. Average stream bitrate rate too high. Can I change that? Reuse streaming encoder. There's nothing I can change for that. I don't know. Is Twitch working for any of you? Pushback, good morning. Yeah, check both of those and let me know if they're working. X is working for me. But Twitch is not. I don't know what's going on with Twitch and the bit rate. The video download was canceled. Please try again. Let me Google what that means. Twitch streaming. The video download was canceled. Twitch Air 1000 means your browser couldn't finish loading the video stream. The Twitch player stops downloading the video data and playback cancels before it starts. This error often appears as a black screen or loading loop. It's a playback problem, not an accounting. Okay, so it might just be on my side of things. Is it a Chrome thing? Try it on Firefox. Got about 3 minutes until the open here. Nope, it's doing it on here as well. It still says unstable. Average stream bitrate too high. I think it has something to do with that. Twitch streaming average bitrate too high. Fix Twitch stream with an average bitrate too high. Lower it to 4500, 6000 kbs. Alright. Just stop it. I don't know. I don't feel like dealing with it. So just X and I don't feel like dealing with it, so X and YouTube today only. Worry about that tomorrow. What's up, Trader NQ? Ugh. Dude, Max's intro is fire. It really is. All right, here we go. Don. Damn, Don, you were the one person I asked your help this morning. I asked if you could go over to X and see if the chat was working. Good morning, Rob. How we doing? Josh, good morning. Where's silver and gold? It's kind of chilling. Yeah, they're both trying to go higher though. Well, 50-point candle up and down to start. And we're gonna close right in the middle of it. That's crazy. The overnight looked like this is yesterday's action, just straight sideways overnight. Daily looks like it's trying to head back up. Nice bounce off the bottom here at that 200 level, 24.2. I was ready to hit it if we got a big pop down through 350, but it just didn't. 400 for a drop. I mean, right at the open though, it's hard. You don't see anything on X? Really? So if you click on my profile, it doesn't have... Here, look, I'll show you. See how it says live? Click on that. Yeah, it should pop up. There's the direct link. See if we can't get a nice big push. I need to see almost down near 300 now, though. This sucks. All right, see if we can't get the push down through towards 300. NASA and SpaceX are doing their moon mission right now. Oh, wow, yeah. Morning, Jason. Get the push to 300 here. I'm going to probably jump in. Dodge.
That don't make no sense.
Patience, patience, patience. Come on.
Order filled. Order working.
Stupid new candle. I needed the audible sound. Hopefully that don't bite me. Be fine. Going for previous candle here. Looking left, there's this key area right here at 290. I'd like to get out of this before then. Hoping we got it right there, but not looking great. Yeah, it's not good. It's really struggling. We should have gotten the pop back up already. The price action is saying it wants lower. We'll see what happens. Just hoping we get filled first. Go, 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 go. There we go.
Order filled.
Take it. Nothing crazy there, but we'll take it. Yeah, seriously, you saw me. I was over here. I was gonna move my order up. I really thought we might get the much bigger bounce. If we didn't break down, I thought we'd get a much bigger bounce because we didn't break down. But it's okay. I'll take the trade. I got a bad fill on it anyway, so I'm not gonna be too upset with it. All right, now I'm gonna draw this line. See if we can't get under it. The Twitch, well, yeah, I took Twitch down. I don't know what's going on with Twitch. X, not sure why it doesn't show you from the homepage. That's, yeah. But is X working? Can you type in there? Try typing in X. I just want to see if that works. Okay, right back down. See if we can get that break at 300 down through 290. The current low a day is at 278. Looking for more than that. Actually, let's draw a line there so that we have it. Here we go, right to the low. See if we can break it. I really want to hit the long button here. I really wanted to hit the long button there. It would have been an instant 15 points, but trying to be patient here, looking for the break of the low. Too far away from the bands.
Order filled. Order working. Order filled.
Just within the candles. Not expecting a full bounce here. Just looking to scalp with inside these candles. Usually get about half the candle back, so that's kind of what I'm going for here. Previous candle is usually where it tries to reject, so I'll keep doing it. See if we can get the push down through 250 is what I'm really looking for here. Oh, you know, I didn't even check. Am I still on ultra low latency? Ah, it should be. I didn't change anything, so who knows? Well, that's frustrating. I was really hoping for the big push down through 250, but I'd wait till 250 because the high volume area and you only have 30 points down on that. I don't have the same analysis as you, but we were on the same page. We were on the same page. Oh, I'm watching the Starship flight. Wait, was that not the right? I'm so confused. I don't know. Are you sure this is actually going on? SK, what's going on? Good morning. I don't remember my password for X to log into the computer with. I had to change it. Jeez. Well, we're up 347 across all the accounts, including the evals. Obviously looking for more. 2 smaller trades here this morning so far. Made like 20 per account on both. I mean, it adds up, but at the same time, this is my one thing with copy trading, especially starting smaller, is it's gonna take a while to get everything to pay out. But I should almost essentially never blow the accounts, right? Like, I'm so far away. It's just gonna take a long time to get there, that's all. Come on, baby. It's a big break to the downside. Come on, baby. Get the big push down through 250. Down through 250. Come on, man. I want the trades. I want the trades. This might just balloon right back up. Just like so. Hold up here, or what are we doing here? So you can watch it on the website, but not the app? Huh. It's not cool. Where we going? Where are we going? Struggling to get back up here. See if 300 will hold. 300 doesn't hold here. This could look like a little sweep to the upside. But if 300 holds, we're probably headed back up to yesterday's close. So far it held. Look at that. Right back up to yesterday's close. Yeah, I see your chat over on X at least, so that's good. That way if somebody says something, I can at least respond if I see it. I mean, honestly, this is probably a decent little short spot, but too far away from the bands for me. But running into yesterday's close, I would love to see it push up towards 400. That'd be beautiful. Wow, went through and it's holding strong. Let's go. Here's the V. Uh-oh. I thought I hit the button. Was I not on it? I don't want to hit it again.
Order filled.
Yeah, see? There's some lag. Be careful. There's some big lag here. But I put an order out and it's still not there. Be careful. There's lag. I hope my order is out there. I don't even know what's going on. I don't think it copy traded or anything. It's not putting my order out.
Order filled. Working.
Oh, there it goes.
Order working.
I don't know how it copy traded, if it copy traded. Yeah, it looks like it did. I'm kind of scared to keep trading. Hopefully it just comes and fills me. Come down and get me. Of course, this is going to be a tough trade and it's lagging. This sucks. Why couldn't we just get the fill there so I don't have to worry about possibly trading on lag? This is not looking good. We're not even getting a red candle. This could just go straight up. I need to wait for it to get far enough away to where I can get my average up over 400. I'm gonna let it go, see what happens. I don't hate the entry there. It was after a nice big red candle. It just didn't quite get the pullback I was looking for. But I don't like how it's holding up here. I'm not going to add this close. I'm going to wait till we get further away from 400 because the high's up here at 421. That's probably where I would look to high. I'm afraid we're only going to get a push down to like 380 if we do. I'm probably going to try to just get out of this if I don't get my fill right away, if it tries to break down. If it lets me, that's the problem. Yo, Leia, what's up? Looking for it to break and hold. There we go. All right, come on, come get me. Hopefully we break this candle. I got a feeling we might not though. But I'm afraid to hit the button while it's around here because I don't think I'm gonna get my fill. And I don't know when I'm gonna get the fill. That's the problem. I would love for it to just come fill me. Come on. To the downside. Oh, it's a 10 o'clock candle. Come on, come on. I didn't realize we were at 10 o'clock. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I knew it, man. Well, I literally called that. I should have moved my order up. Literally called that. Had a feeling we were going to come down and break that candle just barely. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, you dog, man. I don't want to move it because I don't know what's going to happen or how long it's going to take. And
Order filled.
right, I'm taking it off. We didn't get the fill. I'm glad. At least it got us out right away. That's so frustrating. I was at 79. What did that go to? Went to 80. I was 4 ticks. I should have moved my order anyway because I literally called that it was going to break this candle and hold because that if they're going to move it higher, they tend to do that. They make it look like it's going lower and then they rip it back up. Just like you're seeing. This is not financial advice. That is correct. Well, at least we're out and we can look for a bigger move up now. We made a little bit there, 392 to 387. So we made 5 points, so not much, but basically break even. Babe, I thought mom was. When does mom leave? But then I thought she came back at night. It says. Oh. Okay, so 4:15 is okay. Okay. That makes sense. I wish it told you like when they landed. That'd be more valuable information. Yeah, Dad said, does Braden have plans for Sunday? I know they're having Landon's party at Dave and Buster's. He said, we're going if he needs a ride. But I was telling him all the other plans that we have. Whose party is this? Oh, it's like a school thing. Oh.
I mean, no.
What time was it? The party? Landon's? He said they'd be back by 4. That's what I said.
For us?
Yeah. Alright, thank you. What did Camden want? I was in a trade, so I couldn't help him. Alright. What did you make? It smells good. Anyone facing issues? Yeah, I was lagging. It seems to be okay now.
Order working.
It seems to be working now. Ivan, what's going on? How are you? All right, see if we can get this big push up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Order filled. Order working.
That's why you can't text and trade. Looking for half the candle. That was a nice candle. On volume too. Come on, rubber band. 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 You son of a... Why is it... Oh, it didn't copy trade. I'm only on one account right now. What is going on? This is why I don't like copy traders. And then it didn't even film me anyway. Demo connection authentication has expired. What is it? What? All right. Well, let me. I'm just gonna get
order
out.
Working.
Try to get it. Okay. Just come on. I'm just trying to literally get out. Come on, man. What? It's like literally, it's a sim order on MNQ. One MNQ, and it won't let me out. Thank you.
Order filled.
All right. I don't know. It did not copy trade. Connections. It says everything's connected. So Rob, when trade evate's lagging like that, will it not copy trade? I'm gonna try hitting disable and re-enable. Disable. Oh, that's just PNL. Hold that. Okay, connections. All right. Oh, it protects. I guess that's kind of smart, actually. Well, that's a pretty crappy time. That's annoying. It didn't fill me down there, but it wouldn't matter. It was only on one account. It's like using. Jesus. I have never seen it not copy the trade. The fills have been so bad and laggy today. Well, it did when I was lagging earlier on this one, it copied it, but on this one, it didn't copy it. Like, let me put an order out way
Order
up here
working.
and go over. Yeah, so the order's out. For some reason, it didn't do that. It didn't copy on any of the accounts there on this one. All right, well, see if we can get a push up through 450 and we'll try again, I guess. I love this entry. It just, we didn't get our fill. And I still never would have got it. It's crazy. Now looking for the push up through 450 here. Would love another candle like this. We eventually will get a retest down here at 410. Just a matter of when. NASA Artemis 2, live views from Kennedy Space Center. Trader's Nest. Morning.
FBI, open up!
Sir, I'm not the one causing the trade evade issues, sir. Going well so far.
遗忘，遗忘，都遗忘。去年的烦恼和姑娘，遗忘，都遗忘。去年的烦恼和姑娘。
Why would you? Are you the same person? The two of you at the exact same time. It's China. Oh, got it. Ah! I wanted to move higher first. Not getting it, even though 400 is probably a good level to try to look for a bounce. I am not touching that. I would rather look for the push back down towards 370 on this same candle, which would be beautiful. But this was what we were looking for up here, but I guess they wanted to play with us first. They're playing with their food. Stall. Oh.
Order
Yes, sir.
filled.
Yes, sir.
Order working.
I think it copy traded. Yeah, it did. Looking for the retest here. Go down below 80. Come on, rubber bandit, baby. Yes.
Order filled.
That's the trade we were looking for. That's the trade we were looking for. Hey, your order filled was almost perfect, Trader's Nest. Damn, should have held it.
Order filled.
Should have held it. That's the trade we were looking for. I was looking left. I figured we'd try to bounce off of this, which we are. Just could have got more. I was being extreme with it. That was a nice candle. I should change my name to the Rubber Band Man. Change my name to the Rubber Band Man. Honestly, you probably could grab a second trade out of this. I doubt we just blow down through this, but who knows? It's not financial advice. I'm going to put my money where my mouth is.
Order filled.
Because I really think we're just going to chop.
Order working.
If it goes straight through, then we'll have to manage a trade. I got a feeling we'll chop back and forth a little bit here. Could have got a better entry, but I'd assume we probably chop here for like 5 minutes or so, and then it'll probably pick a direction. Look, now it wants to bounce right off that candle. Come on. I was giving it a little more leeway because the top of these candles are so high. Now you're going to bounce off the bottom? That's my first take profit. That's why I put it there. Aw, you jokester. You jokester. Get back up there. Get back up there. Oh, come on. 382.25. Okay.
Order filled.
It literally was, it missed me by one tick there, but it came up and got me. I put my money where my mouth was. I think we chop, like I said, usually when you get a big candle like this, it'll kind of do its thing. It'll triangle, it'll do what, you know, wedge, it'll do whatever the heck you want to call it. And then it'll pick a direction. It's pretty rare you get just the full on after a bounce like this. It's rare you get the push back down and just continues. Like it's just something you don't see very often. All right. Doing pretty good. Up to 814 across all the accounts. The main account is doing even better. We'll buy $4. Ooh, Tony going for gold, and he wins! All All right, there's our 5 minutes going sideways and it picking a direction. All right, strong push straight back to the highs. I don't know, because that's right at 450. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like when we get there. We're in the middle again, so not really very interested.
Pussy.
What?
Emotional damage.
Emotional damage. All right, what it does here in the next like 5 minutes will determine pretty heavily what we're gonna do next. Are we gonna put in a higher low, or are we just gonna continue back? If we retest, guys, I don't know how many times you need me to tell you to put yesterday's close on the chart, but I did not draw this line. I will say this every day. I did not draw this line. This line was here. This is yesterday's close. Just saying. Team. The song from Tokyo Drift. Ale, ale, lo. What is I in Tokyo? Team. All right. Looking like this is a higher low. Moving back up. I have that line, but I took the dog out. Yeah. Guess I should have held, huh? Come on, come on. Good shot. Good shot. It's a sniper, baby. Call me the sniper. The rubber band sniper. The rubber band sniper. I told myself that I wanted to start trading more like in between type stuff. Like if there was just a really big candle that happened really fast, like I would do my best to trade it, even if it's not at a good level. But we haven't really been seeing many of those types of candles where it's just like a flash, like either push up or flash crack, kind of like that, but like bigger. that's the rubber band I'm talking about. Like, you see how quick that was and see how quick it pushed back? That's, if I could find a way to get involved in that every time, like, I would, but it's just, it's tough. See, this is a tough one because the odds are you bounce again here at yesterday's close, but we're pretty far away from the bands still. Bands are at 25. Right, like this is definitely like a 65-35 type trade if we get here that it's going to bounce. It's definitely not like an A+ setup. This was an A+ setup here. This was beautiful. This was an A+ setup that just didn't, I mean, it actually did work. You just had to go through all this crap. It just wasn't the immediate push down that we wanted. This was like a C, if that. This was me just assuming we might bounce off the previous high. Here's the bounce off yesterday's close. Didn't quite get there, but pretty close. All right, Donovan. This is so boring, man. Sorry I can't entertain you guys like some of the others, but I know that's part of why you guys watch me and not them, but just patience and waiting. Definitely a range day. What's up, Jen? What does the daily look like? Yeah. All right. See if we can't get the pop up through 450. Lower high or higher low, higher low. See if we can't push it. Probably just going to be some stupid little like 452 and then back down. Oh, man. Donovan, you missed everything. You missed so much, I'm gonna go get a drink. Hooey is right. You wanted to take a gold trade? What's it doing today? It's actually coming down. Silver probably is too, yeah. Silver and gold seem to be acting hand in hand. 20 points the upside. What's up, Steve? I'm not doing marbles today. I'm just it's not in the mood, and no one's here. Everybody left because it's so boring. All right, we're trying to head back up to 450 again. See what happens. We're all here. Yeah, well, it says there's only 11 people here. 80-cent range on the SPY? Jesus. Or not. Or we just keep ranging back and forth. You can't, it's so hard to trade a range because the moment you try to trade the range is when it blasts you in the face. Let me give this another 6 minutes. Did you guys hold on, I want to show you guys something that are still here. What up, 007 over on X? Uh-oh.
That was I am gonna read the song for everybody that was at the Super Bowl. Here we go, in my best bunny voice. Mammy, what do you want? Your shark has arrived. I want to grind on you and smoke a blunt to see what is hidden in your pants. I want to grind on you.
This is the
Grind
lyrics from
on
one of the
you
Bad Bunny
and
songs.
grind on you, hard, hard. I want to grind on you and smoke a blunt, hard, hard. I want to grind on you and grind on you and grind hard, hard.
Looking for the push away from 350.
I want to grind on you and smoke a blunt, hard, hard. The ecstasy is already kicking in. The girl bounced while dancing. The ass deserves it all, deserves it all, deserves it all. Yes, that ass deserves it all, deserves it all, deserves it all. A. Interlude to the Bad Bunny song. Ah, I thought I was getting slower. It's all good, it's all good. We'll start fresh, start fresh. Look at Orma, look at Ormer. He's horny. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Real G guiding the new generations with the OG one. Galactic style lust. Yes, so that your panties get wet. Get horny and versatile. More slutty than Betty Boop. The one who got horny
Is this that same guy?
was you. I stay
That's funny.
killing with you.
I remember
with
that.
A dick. Dick with ass. Push it in. Pussy with dick. Dick with ass. Yes, push it in. Pussy with dick. Dick with ass. Push it in. Your tits rubbing my nipples. Push it in. This year, I don't want sluts. Push it in.
I'm gonna get
They
like
see you with a
banned
lot of
for this.
jewels, and they want to stay. Push it in. They see you really active, and they want to stay. Push it in. Because you look hot. Because you look hot. Push it in. Me completely. Really big tits like Lourdes Chacon. Really big ass like Iris Chacon. I don't know why I haven't seen the pussy, but let's go to bed to fuck you in panties. That is what you all heard at the Super Bowl. Enjoy your song. Have a great day.
Needed a little bit more there to get in because I was gonna look for the retest of yesterday's close, but just the fake out thus far. Who the hell got paid to come up with these lyrics? I mean, those apparently aren't like the exact lyrics, but when you read the exact lyrics, they're just as bad. Pretty funny. All right, I think I'm getting out of here. I will catch you all tomorrow. Same time, same place. I mean, still a decent day. 814 overall. Subtract 816, 24, like 250 of that. So what's that? Like 550? We're up like 550 or so on the fundeds. Not the best day, not the worst day. We'll accept it, and we'll see if we get any trades here in the afternoon. But by the looks of it, we're just gonna do this crap. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day, and until then, peace.
Run.